All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So finally, the time has come. So I made it a decision to, if any company or has like an exclusive color, I would get it. I waited about 2.5 months to get my blue S22 Ultra, and that was an experience. So now they came out with the Burgundy Z Fold 4, and I exhibited lots of patience. This was supposed to be to me on, they promised it on September 2nd. And we are at the end of September. We're about 3 weeks past that point, I believe. So we're gonna crack this open. This is simply just a show and tell. This is a 512 gig Burgundy Z Fold 4. Been waiting a while, and oh boy, it was worth the wait, folks. It was worth the wait. Wow. There's nothing else in the box? Wow, there's nothing else in this box? Oh, it's on the top. Okay, I was about to say, man. Anyway, yeah, this is a show and tell. So let's get it open. It was totally worth the wait. I cannot lie. It was worth it. First close. Oh, yes. Here it is, folks. The Burgundy Z Fold 4. I have been waiting for this thing since it launched, and it kept getting delayed, but now it's mine. So in traditional fashion, I'm just going to show you around the device. Obviously fingerprint reader, same exact design pretty much as the Z Fold 3, just a little bit wider and a little bit wider display on the front. But I've got tons of accessories. I've got every accessory for this from Samsung. Let me show you. So here's the stand with the S Pen that came free, and then I got the slim stand cover, I got the silicone grip cover, I got the leather case, and I just grabbed a charger too. So we'll cover those at some point. But for now, here is the device that I have been waiting for since August 10th or something like that, I think. Oh man. And we are at September 21st or 2nd at the recording of this video. So I'm going to set this up, and I'm actually going to get into it. I'm going to go ahead and put a tempered glass on here too, because I've got several of them. I'll shout out to Whitestone Dome. I've got their glass as well. So let's see if it's got a little juice. I'm sure it does. I'm really happy with this color, waiting on it. I'm pretty ecstatic about it. I mean, you have to hold that down a long time. So speaker on the top, microphones there, microphone there, speaker down there, type C. This feels really good. I don't even remember what my Z Fold 3 felt like. As you can see here, I've got the Burgundy all along here. The hinge is looking really good. Here's my wife's Burgundy S22 Ultra. It's got like, we've got these clear skins on them, so that's probably why it looks a little shiny and crazy, but those clear back protectors it's on mine too, but very similar in color. Obviously this is matte on here too, so this looks really good. So the device looks to be shiny around the edges. I'm gonna have to check that out and see if it's shiny. I don't see any other plastic or anything on it. Yeah, so it's glossy around the edges, which obviously is not my favorite, but you got this matte back on here. Nice little hinge. The hinge is obviously a lot shorter and thinner, but you can see the gap in between the screen there. It looks like it's bigger than the Fold 3. You can see all the way through there. But this is going to be something to enjoy. So I'm going to set this up, and I'll be right back to you guys, man. Finally got my Fold 4 in, and then let's continue with my first impressions. All right, guys, so here we are. We're back. I've got it all set up, and I've been messing around with it. I pretty much did a restore from my S22 Ultra. They're going to be looking identical in every way. I got them set up the same. But here it is, man. So just right off the rip, when I look at the screen on the front, it is doable. There's a lot going on here to where you could do on this screen. It's just like kind of like reminds me of the Sony Xperia lineup that I used. I really like it a lot. Now cracking it open here, which is the main selling point of this device, you got this dock down here. So now when you have this open, you get the dock, and you know, this is just wonderful. I can't even I can't even tell you how exciting it is to finally have this, to be back on a fold. I'm still getting things arranged here, but you know, ultimately it'll be the same. But when you go into something, let's see, let's go into the Play Store. Your dock appears down here, and then you can go into all these different things down here. I think that is one of the best things about this device. This dock is way more useful than I thought it was going to be. And then if you look to the left here, you can see you got your app tray. Now this reminds me of the new Chrome update that you got on your Chromebook. The Chromebooks now have the app tray over to the left like this. So I'm going to dive deeper into this device for sure. But I'm really excited. I put one of my T-Mobile SIM cards in here. But you know, ultimately, like I said, this is just a show and tell. Let me get a different, show you the wallpapers that are in here. I'm excited. As you can see, these are the wallpapers that are in here. Pretty nice. Let's go with this one here, home screen. That's pretty dope. I'm not really worried about battery or anything like that. I think it's going to be fine, you know, with the battery. I don't think I'm going to have a problem with the battery. But I'm actually really excited to finally get this in. I'm almost overwhelmed because I didn't know how I was going to feel about it. But I got to turn this off. I'm going to use the Samsung. I've been using the Samsung messaging because the Samsung messaging, you get you can pin at least 20 messages to the top, and I really like that. So nonetheless, again, show and tell. I'm excited, man. So I'm going to be installing the Whitestone Dome setup on here, and I'll show you some things that Whitestone Dome sent over. I know I love to have the devices looking good for camera, but overall, man, I'm excited about it. I'm really happy to be back on a fold because this is just where it's at, man. I mean, being able to oh, must not have rotate on. Oh yeah, it's on. Being able to, I got to set it to the home screen rotate, I guess. Being able to be on a folding device again is going to be fantastic, and I'm really excited to finally get it in. But just wanted to give you a quick unboxing and just really show you this color, man. It's just it's going to be really nice to use this every day alongside of my 14 iPhone. So we'll see how this plans out. So we do have the Pixel 7 Pro coming. There's a lot of phones coming, and this is going to be something else, folks. The end of the year launches are just amazing. I'll be pairing up my Galaxy Watch 5 Pro with this one. I've been using the Amazfit. I took the Amazfit with me on traveling. This is my go-to watch. I'm going on day 4, and I'm still at 70% on this battery, so that's incredible. But ultimately, I'll be pairing this watch up with it just for the purpose of it being officially a Samsung product, and it'll be really easy to deal with. But there you have it, man. The Z Fold 4 in Burgundy finally here. And you'll see some videos coming right up quickly because I got a lot of stuff. And first one I'm going to show you is the Whitestone Dome setup here. So I got the Dome Life case and the Easy Glass I'm going to put on because this phone doesn't come with a tempered glass or a screen protector on the front. Unlike the previous years, I think I had a screen protector on the front, and they don't have one on the front of this one anymore. So that's kind of strange that they took it off. But here we are. And we're going to make sure we get this thing going, man. It's your man, Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. Look for tons of case videos on this because I have a whole bunch of them, folks. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.